Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. And today we're going to be taking a brief look at the Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. As you can see, this boat is decked out with the clean black and white color and the black bimini. Has Mercury 250 Verados on the back, which pushers are just fine. And a boarding ladder to either set on or get out of the water. Let's take a brief look inside of this 290. See what she has to offer. Got a nice reversible lounger. Very spacious boat with seating for capacity for 13. Has the joystick, Simrad, and as you move forward toward the bow, you can see a lot of seating space up front. If you go to the head, it's a nice roomy head. And for viewing of this boat and any of our other boats here at MarineMax, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.